Hey up guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this little gorgeous thing. It's a Yamaha MT-10 in Nardo Grey with the fluoro wheels on. Cracking bikes these, really popular seller. So this one is a 2016, it's on a 16 plate. So done 6,008 miles. Cracking machines are these, one of our best sellers. And we do the Scorpion decap pipes and we remap them and we'll get some real good gains out of them as well. If you watch the videos, I'm sure you'll find an MT-10 on our site for it. So this one has got adjustable traction control. You've got a couple of different power modes. You've got ABS, cruise control on this one as well. It's got a quick shifter, genuine Yamaha heated grips as well. As you can see as you're looking round, it's got the tail tidy on it. It's got plenty of R&G protection. You've got the cotton reels at the back there. You've got the engine, the frame protection. And it's just a cracking bike is this. It has been fitted with some Maxton fork internals as well, so a little bit better than Yamaha themselves. You've got plenty of suspension travel there on the front. Anyway, let's give it a quick fire up. They do sound cracking as standard, but like I said, we do the Scorpion decats and we remap them as well. So if you want this absolutely gorgeous little thing, get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.